In the metals quadrant, a small rally today in the July copper futures contract makes it 3 sessions higher in the last 5 for a move of about 2.4%. The high today, 4 spot 6020 was up 1.31%. The low 4 spot 185 down a little bit more than 0.5%. Copper had initially dropped in price by 4.8% from the high on April 30th to the low on May 2nd. But since that low, it's regained about 2.78% and retraced more than 50% of that move from the April 29th high close down to the low close on May 2nd. On the week, copper has turned from negative to positive by about 0.8%, making it 6 positive weeks in the last 7 if we were to finish the week here. On the day, we finished just short of better by 1.25%. So 1.23% or so on the close. Now, Chinese data, China's export and import market returned to growth in April after having contracted in the previous month. Now, any positive momentum in China's economy can lift industrial metals. Copper, obviously an industrial metal. Also, one of their major metropolitan areas, Hangzhou, is lifting home purchase restrictions to help its real estate market, which could also be good for industrial metal. Maybe part of that is driving the move today in copper as well. But we know dollar weakness was definitely part of the move today in copper because of their typical inverse relationship. The dollar was weak all day and finished near the lows in the aggregate. It was weakest, that's a positive for industrial metals, and it was weakest by the widest percentage margins against the Aussie, the Kiwi, and the Euro. And again, negative dollar, all else equal, tends to get a lift to copper. We gave that lift this morning to finish today about 1.23% higher.